Good morning students, we are going to learn in this class product of two vectors. Now product of two vectors, here there are multiplication of two vectors is two types. They are classified as two types. One is the scalar product. One is the scalar product and the second one is vector product. Vector product. Now what is the scalar product and what is the vector product we are going to learn. Scalar product. What is the scalar product? Scalar product of the two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors is two non-zero vectors a bar and b bar is denoted by a bar dot b bar, reads as a bar dot b bar, and defined by a bar dot b bar is equal to modules of a bar modules of b bar cos theta, where theta is angle between the vectors and lies in between 0 to pi, and it is defined a bar dot b bar, both are the non-zero vector. Either of a bar b bar is equal to 0, either a bar is equal to 0 or b bar is equal to 0, then theta is not going to be defined. That's why you are going to get a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Now if you have taken, this is the vector a bar and this is the vector b bar. Now this is the angle between the vectors a and b, and if any vectors are shown like this in the open brackets a bar comma b bar, that indicates the angle between the vectors a bar comma b bar. Now observations from the scalar product. What you are going to observe the scalar product means, here a bar dot b bar reads as here a dot b, a bar dot b bar, a bar dot b bar. Hence this product also called as dot product. This product also called as dot product. And a bar dot b bar is a real number. A bar dot b bar is a real number. Next one is, here either a bar dot is equal to 0 or b bar dot is equal to 0. That means both are non-zero vectors, but they are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. That means what is the angle between them? 90 degrees. Then cos 90, what do you know? Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Therefore, a bar dot b bar, what you are going to get? Modules a bar into modules of b bar into 0. Therefore, something into 0, then you are going to get 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0. That means the product, dot product is 0. Then the vectors are perpendicular to each other. That is, either a bar does not equal to 0, and that means neither a bar is 0 vector nor b bar is a 0 vector, but their product is 0, means they are perpendicular to each other. Next, now theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi. That means the vectors are collinear. Vectors are collinear. Then what do you know? Cos pi is equal to, that is, or cos 0 is equal to 1. Okay, or the cos pi is equal to -1 and cos 0 is equal to 1. That means they are collinear. What do you know? Collinear in the same direction. Collinear in the same direction or parallel. Then what you are going to get? A bar dot b bar is equal to, here what you are going to get? Observe there, a bar dot b bar is equal to modules a bar into modules b bar. Otherwise, if they are collinear in opposite direction. In opposite direction means what you are going to get here? A bar dot b bar is equal to modules a bar modules b bar, and cos 180 is a -1. Therefore this is minus of a bar modules a bar into modules b bar. Okay, this is the basic concept. Further we are moving into another concept here. Now I cap dot I cap. I cap dot I cap means, what do you know here? I cap dot I cap means modules I cap into modules I cap. Now what is the angle between them? Cos 0. Therefore module unit vector, no, 1 into 1, that is called 1. That means I cap dot I cap is equal to, what you are going to get? I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. Similarly, what you can get? J cap dot J cap is equal to also 1, and K cap dot K cap also 1. That means here what do you know? I cap I dot I plus I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K. Now these are the unit vectors is equal to, what you are going to get? 1. Further, another one, I dot J I am taking. I dot J if I am taken, what I am going to get? Observe there, modules I modules J, and what is the angle between them? Cos 90. Cos 90, how much this is? 1 into 0. Therefore I dot J is equal to, what you are going to get? 0. Similarly, j dot k is equal to 0 and k dot I is equal to also 0. That what you can get now? I dot j is equal to j dot k is equal to k dot I is equal to 0. Next concept is here. Now find the angle between the vectors. They may ask question. Therefore, what do you know? From the dot product you have a bar dot b bar is equal to what you have? Both are the non-zero vectors. Then what do you have? Modules a bar, modules b bar, cos theta. From this one, what you are going to get? Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modules of a bar into modules of b bar. Otherwise, theta is equal to what you are going to get? Cos inverse of a bar dot b bar by modules of a bar into b bar. For example, specially they are mentioned theta is acute angle. Then what you are going to get? Theta is equal to cos inverse of what you are going to get? Modules of this one is the here modules of a bar modules of b bar by this, sorry, a bar dot b bar by modules of a bar modules of b bar. This is the if it is the acute angle. That way, because acute angle should be positive. Now next one is a bar dot is equal to b bar dot a. Why? Because here what you are going to get? Observe there, a bar dot b bar is equal to modules a bar modules b bar and cos theta. Now here what do you know? Cos theta, if you are taken here modules of a bar is a real number, modules of b bar is a real number. Therefore, usually product of real numbers is the commutative. Modules of b bar modules of a bar. Cos is reverse, no, therefore cos of minus theta. Angle is measured in the reverse direction. Now this is nothing but modules of b bar modules of a bar. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. But now what do you know? This one is the b bar dot a bar. That means vector multiplication, that is dot product. Dot product is or scalar product of two vectors is commutative. And the vector dot product on the dot product holds distributive law on addition. That is a bar dot b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar. You have to remember these conditions. Further, we are moving into one of the important accept, that is here a bar is equal to what there is there? Observe there, a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap is there. Further, b bar is equal to what is there? b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now a bar dot b bar is equal to what you can write now here? a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap dot b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now go for the product. If you go for the product, what you are going to get? a1 bar dot a1 b1 I dot I plus a1 b2 I dot j and plus a1 b3 I dot k plus a2 b1 j dot I plus a2 b2 j dot j plus a2 b3 j dot k. Next a3 b1 k dot I plus a3 b2 k dot j plus a3 b3 k dot k. Now just what we are proved, I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. Remaining all products are 0. Therefore what you are going to get? a1 b1 into 1 plus a2 b2 into 1 plus a3 b3 into 1. That is remaining all are 0. Therefore what you got? A bar dot b bar is equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, which is dot product of the two vectors. That you have to remember that sum of the product of the I, j, k respectively. Now observe some examples. They may ask like this. He will give the a bar. What they are given? A bar. A bar is equal is given 5i minus j minus 3k, and there may be given b bar is equal to I plus 3j minus 5k. Now he may ask the product, find the a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar means just now we are solved. Now a bar dot b bar is equal to what you can write, observe there, product of the I, j, k, that means sum of, that means 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 plus minus 3 into minus 5. Then what you are going to get, this is 5 minus 3 minus minus plus 15, therefore 20 minus 3, therefore 17. A bar dot b bar is equal to 17. Sometimes find the angle between them. Find the angle between them means, now just now we are written the formula. Now here, what is the formula here? A bar dot b bar by modules of a bar modules of b bar. That means you would find the modules of a bar. Modules of a bar, what you got? 5 square is 25 minus 1 square is 1 plus 9, that is nothing but root of 30. What you are going to get, observe there, 35. And modules of b bar also what you are going to get? 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. Therefore this is also root of 30. Now what you can write now? Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modules of a bar modules of b bar, that is nothing but 17 by root of 35 into root of 35. Root 35 and root 35, 35. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 17 by 35. This is the angle between the vectors. Further, they may ask that show that these vector, that is a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar are perpendicular to each other or orthogonal to each other. That means find the a bar plus b bar. If you find the a bar plus b bar, you are going to get 5 plus 1, 6, minus 1 plus 3 plus 2j and minus 8k. And a bar minus b bar, 5 minus 1, 4i, and minus j minus 3j minus 4j, and minus 3 plus 5k plus 2k. That means now if we are going for that a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar, then what you are going to get? 6 into 4 plus 2 into minus 4 plus minus 8 into 2. Therefore 24 minus 8 minus 16 minus 8 minus 16 minus 24. 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Then what you know? Neither a bar is equal to 0 bar nor b bar is equal to 0 bar, but a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Then they are perpendicular to each other. Now what you got here? A bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar, you got the 0. Therefore these vectors are perpendicular to each other. Now one question they are given, find if modules of a bar minus b bar, if is given as a bar comma b bar are the vectors such that modules of a bar is equal to 2, modules of b bar is equal to 3, and a bar dot b bar is equal to 4. They are given. Now you have to find the modules of a bar minus b bar. Ultimately what do you know? Just now what we are studied, that the dot product is modules of a bar square, nothing but a bar dot a bar or not. Now here I am going for to find this one, modules of a bar minus b bar square is equal to a bar minus b bar into a bar minus b bar. Now multiply this one. If you are multiply this one, a bar dot a bar minus a bar dot b bar minus b bar dot a bar, minus and minus plus b bar dot b bar you got. Now this is nothing but modules of a bar square. Now a bar, usual that just now we are discussed, scalar product is commutative. Therefore a bar dot b bar nothing but b bar dot a bar. Therefore you are going to get minus 2 a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot b bar is the modules of b bar square. Now what they are given, modules of a bar is a 2 square minus 2 into 4 plus, and modules b bar is a 3 square. Therefore you are going to get 4 minus 8 plus 9. Therefore you are going to get 5. Finally what you are going to get? Modules of a bar minus b bar is equal to, here square is 5, that's why root 5, neither plus or minus. Observe that this is the plus. Why? Because modules means magnitude. Magnitude always positive. Observe that so many people are going to, this type of example is there, one of the examples. So many people are going to make mistake where he is given as a bar is a unit vector such that x bar minus a bar into x bar plus a bar is equal to 8. Then find the modules x bar. That means here expand this one. If you are expanded that one, what you are going to get? X bar dot a bar plus x bar dot x bar and x bar dot a bar minus a bar dot x bar minus modules a bar dot a bar is equal to 8. Now this is the modules of x bar square. Okay, now this one what you are going to get, this is plus, okay, plus x bar minus x bar dot a bar minus x bar dot a bar and minus of modules of a bar square is equal to 8. Why? Because here scalar product is commuted, these both are gets cancelled. Modules of x bar square is minus, here unit vector no 1 square is equal to 8. Take minus 1 out, if you are taken it become the plus 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. Now modules of x bar is equal to root of 9. So many people they are going to write the plus or minus 3 is the wrong answer. Why? Because modules of x bar is the magnitude always positive. That's why you have to write this one is the plus 3. In the this type of question, see it is they will keep the first option only plus or minus 3. Fourth option is going to be keep plus 3. In hurry we are not going to reach up to the fourth option. We are going to choose the first option only, which is wrong. Why? Because magnitude always positive. Further, observe some more examples here. If a bar is a non-zero vector, and here what they are given, and with magnitude a, that means modules of a bar is equal to a, and lambda is a scalar, such that lambda a bar is a unit vector, then relation between a comma lambda they may ask. That means here what you got observed there, modules of a bar is equal to a. Now lambda a bar is a unit vector, means modules of lambda a is equal to, you are going to get 1. Therefore this is modules of lambda into a. Modules of a bar is equal to 1. Therefore modules of lambda into a is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1 by modules lambda. Or here so many relations you can take. Modules is equal to 1 by modules of, that is lambda is equal to modules of 1 by a, or else lambda is equal to plus or minus 1 by a. This any relation you can choose. Usually whatever the options, once you go with the options. Further, he may ask, he may give, observe there is given as modules a bar is equal to 8, a bar is equal 8 b bar. There. Modules of a bar is equal to 8, modules of 8 b bar. That means here what you have to find and give the relation also, a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar is equal to 8. Then find modules of a bar and modules of b bar. Okay, go through this problem. Just now what you are solved, a bar dot b bar, a bar plus b bar into a bar minus b bar is equal to what they are given, 8. Expand this one, what you are going to get, this one is a bar dot b bar plus, that is here minus a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar dot b bar is equal to 8. Now this is a bar dot a bar, what you are going to get, modules of a bar square minus a bar dot b bar, usual multiplication, that is the scalar product is commutative. That's why what you are going to get, this one is plus a bar dot b bar minus modules of b bar square is equal to 8. Now both are gets cancelled, but what do you know, modules of a bar is equal to 8 b bar. That's why 8 into modules of b bar square minus modules of b bar square is equal to 8. Therefore this you are going to get 64 into modules of b bar square minus b bar square is equal to 8. 64 minus 1, 63. 63 into modules of b bar square is equal to 8. Modules of b bar square is equal to 8 by 63. Therefore modules of b bar is equal to root of 8 by 63. This is 2 root 2 and this is 3 root 7. Therefore you can write this as 2 by 3 into root of 2 by 7. This is the modules of b bar. Now from this one, modules of a bar is equal to 8 into modules of b bar. Therefore 8 into 2 by 3 into root of 2 by 7. Therefore this is 16 by 3 into root of 2 by 7. This is the modules of a bar and this is the modules of b bar. Okay. Earlier they asked a question, this type of question. Find the magnitude of two vectors a bar and b bar. A bar and B bar having same magnitude, and such that angle between them is 60 degrees. Angle between them is 60 degrees, and their scalar product is 1 by 2. Scalar product is 1 by 2. That means what they are given, observe there, modules of A bar is equal to modules of B bar. Why? Because same magnitude, and theta is equal to 60 degrees, and scalar product nothing but A bar dot B bar is equal to 1 by 2. They are given. From this one, cos 60, how much you are going to get? Cos 60 is equal to also 1 by 2 you are going to get. Now here what is there given? A bar dot B bar is equal to what you are going to get? Modules of A bar, modules of B bar, and cos 60 degrees. Therefore modules of A bar and modules of B bar nothing but modules of A bar. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And A bar dot B bar also 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Now what you are going to get? 1 into 1 modules of A bar square. Magnitude always positive that. Therefore modules of A bar is equal to 1. Similarly what you are going to get? Modules of B bar also you are going to get 1. That means both are unit vectors. Both are unit vectors. Now in one question they are given, A bar is given as A bar is equal to 2i plus 2j, 2i plus 2j plus 3k, and B bar is equal to, they are given as minus I plus 2j plus k, they are given, and C bar they are given 3i plus j, and also given A bar plus lambda B bar is perpendicular to C bar. Then find the lambda. That means you have to find the A bar plus lambda B bar. A bar plus lambda B bar nothing but what is the A bar you have to write? Plus lambda into B bar you have to write. You are going to get 2 minus lambda I cap plus 2 plus 2 lambda j cap plus 3 plus lambda k cap. And what do you know? If the two vectors are perpendicular, both are non-zero vectors are perpendicular, then dot product is 0. Therefore A bar plus lambda B bar dot C bar is equal to 0. That implies 2 minus lambda into 3 plus 2 plus 2 lambda into 1 plus 3 plus lambda into, there is no k, that's why into 0 is equal to 0. Then if you solve, you are going to get lambda is equal to 8. Okay, this is given in your notes very clearly step by step. Next one is here they may ask, they are going to give A bar comma B bar comma C bar are the unit vectors are such that A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 bar. Hence find A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar value they may ask. Now solve simply what they are given. A bar is equal to modules of B bar is equal to modules of C bar is equal to 1. Why? Because they are the unit vectors. Further, what you have to take? Their given condition is A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Square on both sides. If you are going for the square on both sides, you are going to get 0 bar square. Now this is nothing but A bar plus B bar plus C bar into A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 bar square is the modules of 0 bar square. Now this one is the A bar dot A bar into A bar. This is the modules of A bar square plus modules of B bar square plus modules of C bar square plus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus 2 into B bar dot C bar plus 2 into C bar dot A bar is equal to, you are going to get 0. This is what you know, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus if you are taken 2 common, A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar is equal to 0. Now take this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 you are taken outside and later you can take 2 outside. Therefore finally you are going to get A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar is equal to plus 3. If you are taken outside become minus 3, and this is the product. Minus 3 by 2 you are going to get. And final problem in this class, you will give that A bar either A bar is equal to 0 bar or B bar is equal to 0 bar. Then what we are defined? A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. But you are asked to prove that converse need not to be true. Prove that converse need not to be. What is the given statement? Either A bar is equal to 0 bar or B bar is equal to 0 bar. Then A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 bar. This is the given statement. Now what is the converse? If A bar dot B bar is equal to 0, then either A bar is equal to 0 bar or B bar is equal to 0 bar. That means we have to take the two vectors are perpendicular, which are, for example, simply I have to remember that A is equal to I plus J plus 3K you are taken. Simply you have to take the same thing, just shift the 3I, the product of, that means I am taking 3I plus J and change the sign of this one. If you are change the sign of this one, here what you are going to get observed there, here 2 no, 3 no, that is 2I am taken here, and minus K you have to take. Okay, now if you have taken A bar dot B bar, what you are going to get, A bar dot B bar is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Therefore 2 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. But what you are going to get here, modulus of A bar is equal to 1 plus 9 root of 11, and here it is a B, modulus of B bar is 4 plus 1 plus 1 root of 6. Both are non-zero vectors, but what you got, A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Therefore what is that, converse need not to be true. Thank you for